I'm going to show you something about shower heads that maybe you knew, maybe you didn't know. But make sure you stay till the end, because while I was making this video, I actually came up with something even better. So if you have low shower head pressure, these shower heads, once you remove them, inside, see this red piece inside, this is a Moen shower head. What this is a flow restrictor, so it restricts the flow down to, I think this one's 1.7 gallons per minute. Which I was surprised because I always thought it was 1.5. However, once you remove this, you'll see that it is exactly what its name is. It restricts the flow of water to your shower head. So by removing it, you will get more water out. And don't tell me that it's a check valve. It's not a check valve, it's a flow restrictor. So now you can see that it's removed, that I'm getting water directly to the shower head. And when I put the shower head back on, it's hard to tell from a video, however, the water pressure is significantly more. And you could argue about water conservation, however, I find I spend more time in the shower. Now this is what I actually wanted to show. I tell customers this all the time. When you're done showering, don't jam that diverter on the tub spout down. Because what you'll see is if you look underneath, it's actually just a cheap piece of plastic with a flat washer on it. And when you jam it down, those things break. And that's why you have a constant stream of water. It's either hard water mineral buildup in it, or it's because it's been getting jammed down. So just shut the tap off and it'll drain itself. Thanks for watching.